I love Dr. Phillips Center for what we stand for and what our mission is, Arts for Every Life. We want everyone in the community or outside the community to feel welcome to come into the Arts Center.
The design of Steinmetz Hall, right, is really the culmination of a dream that started in the 80s. We can accommodate the best artists from around the world as well as all the local talent right here in Orlando. How do we build on that? Using a flexible system in the room so that we can basically always give artists and creatives the ability to execute their dreams and their vision.
Gala Systems started in theater around the end of the 80s, where we started working with overhead rigging. And then we quickly started developing new electromechanical systems to make orchestra lifts and stage lifts. We started doing designs where we did full auditorium transformations because of the different uses that you could potentially have in the same venue. Most performing arts centers are only used 35% of the time. So this is now a forum, a way to actually transform a building so that you can actually deliver different types of events within the same space. So instead of 35% usage, you go to 85% usage. And that in turn yields a positive financial structure at the end of the year that you do not need funding every year. When we were looking for a partner for automation for this technology, we saw that this was a product that was actually expanding throughout the world in 5 different continents. We wanted something so that we could promote to the client that the system will work no matter what, the show has to go on. So we needed a company to work with that had an industrial background, that was known throughout the world, had a strong distributorship, that we actually knew from some of the interactions we had done with Siemens that they were a good partner and open to work with us.
Gala Systems is using the best technology Siemens has on a PLC side, controlling hundreds of IOs and actions they have on this kind of projects. The human interface, which is fixed or mobile. We have drive systems also controlling the motors. And we have the networking technology in a very safer model.
The TIA portal from Siemens is a powerful software because it's all integrated. We can make the PLC programming, we can make the HMI development, the screens, and even the motion system. Everything is integrated and easy to communicate in between. This is amazing software. This software allows us to make some simulation, which is very important for us. For a long-term development system like this, it's good to test everything in advance. We can reduce our commissioning time. Afterward, we can also assist the client the same way by distance, and I can see the system as I'm on site.
The Gala venue technology with the Siemens Canada-based control system has really been a success, mainly because of 3 things. The first one is obviously the different configurations. It's the most versatile configuration. Every row has a position that can be programmed. Every seat can be raised or lowered depending on the type of event that you have. Number 2 is it looks and it feels permanent. I mean, when you look at this venue, unless you know that when you push a button that it transforms, the seats are all stable, the handrails are stable, the finishing looks like a finishing that you would in a permanent venue, so you're not really compromising in that. And then last but not least, it's the ability to transform quickly and effectively and to reprogram your venue for future events.
This is a future-proof solution, and coming together with edge computing, which Siemens is offering nowadays, can offer to the customers that Gala has predictive maintenance for future. If anything like that is needed in the projects, they are already there, integrated in our solution.
So we were very happy to see that Gala had partnered with Siemens because we know they're going to be around a long time. They make the highest quality equipment. So that gave us a lot of confidence because the show must go on.